Hello and welcome to the ShipRight app tutorial series from KlinKode. You can hide, sort, or rename shipping methods using ShipRight. In this video, we will show how to show specific shipping based on company names in Shopify. Let's open the ShipRight app. Click the Create Rule button. You will see several combinations here. Use the search box to find your specific conditions and see which combination contains it. In this video, we'll use the company condition. So first we'll search for company in the search bar and select it. Click Select Elite 1 combination to continue. In the company section, you will see two options, company names and customer as company. If you select company names, the rule to work for specific companies only. If you select customer as company, the rule will automatically apply to customers who are logged in using a Shopify B2B company account. For this video, we choose company names and select If Not Found, then enter company name Snow Devil. Optionally, if you click on the Add a Condition button, you can see and use all other available conditions under this combination. For this example, we don't need any additional conditions. Here, we can see that the email haroon.klinkode@gmail.com is assigned to the company name Snow Devil. Now go to the rule page, set a name for the rule. Finally, go to the Shipping Methods section and add the shipping method you want to hide. We will add free shipping, which should be visible only when the customer is assigned to the Snowdeville company. If the shipping method you want to hide is not in the list, you can add it manually. For example, DHL Express is not in my shipping list, so I will manually type DHL Express and click Add DHL Express to add it in the rule. Now click the Save button to apply your rule. Let's go to the checkout page. As you can see, free shipping is not visible because the customer is not assigned under the company names as Snow Devil. Now let's log in as haroon.klinkode@gmail.com, which is assigned under the Snow Devil company, and check again. As you can see, free shipping is now visible. That's it. This is how to show specific shipping based on company names. I hope this is clear. If you have any questions or need help, feel free to reach out via live chat or visit our contact page. You'll find both email and WhatsApp support options there. Thanks for using the ShipRight app. Happy selling!